Okay, yeah, do trade am ponya kopon ba say yodo mase. Ade a chewa me nua no wagi afe. Ene so ye da foforo a no mi no esia. Ene so hweme wo hwa me nsani fo yeso a aha we ye me akasa me chairman the youth president ba ko pe. Aha. Ene ya ban nchen. Program a ya to the din who is helping the youth eso ene ye nya ni. Ono so ye youth president e wa asore kese ye party say Emmanuel Baptist here. That is so won se bebre a obetimi de amaye. My only chairman.
Prof. Yeah, me.
Na se say no, me dey we ye me chairman dey. Na emom ahwefo nyina ehwe. E di be pa na dodo nyina de nimu.
Me na wase. Your friend Ben and Denjima. Na dodo na so friend Lankwankwa. Na emom Denjima no pa na monfo nim pa.
Inshallah. Denjima no obi anim dia. Me dey me tey ya me dey buy and say we youth president wa sorry. Your friend Emmanuel Baptist. Letting and the buy. Now no question anything.
No cre. The youth president ewo asafo wa obo the Emmanuel Baptist Church. I was awaba. And aspect in Pum. Na enye youth president nko a the enema bebre ewo asafo nso so. Ti ne oti na oba na no cre.
Okay, we are youth president here, and not just a meeting me sound in the because and then youths I want my more araze, I say face the country, said you hear bought and penufone, it is to say, fix the country. It also hear Maburu can be needed. Dear no say, can't a Maburu now more casa.
Oh, no credit, face the country there, no credit. Didn't make us say no credit, say, Maburu. Ushe mabunu this time around na yesisu na enema bebre esisiama mabunu na ma yehu ye ho ano ebi dey say galamse e dey na mani pa ko galamse ya ho kire ye nem say oman na and our government might say galamse no ga ye wo kwan ya wo se fa so but nya sa kwan no na ye fa so enu nti opeso osi ho kwan youth is so amike enu no so no mo ye ede ye adwuma anya anase o mo sa ko oman no enu so na say oman edu fi senka ya dey a proper planning be man youth ya me ya sure senka bon will be 15 years 14 years or so e galamse adwuma all because of economic nye adwuma no why adwuma ni ho kura na me kan wo be ne wanya shomo mo wie school se bebre na mpa adwuma ko all because of school na bebre mpa adwuma school ko because of go school ko no wie kura na adwuma ni ho se adwuma ni ho dia kwan be me fa so a as a youth no me so ya be friend me say me ye asimesi obenten ati se me so fa kwan we se minsi bia
na cha say won say e wo se mpanyimfo no esi gina ye bia beboa especially wo key point a wo making ye galamse na cha say ya wade hia pa eti galamse no okay mpanyimfo aboa ma galamse ne say ya pe e kwan ye be fa so yi what the next thing bia wo hwe mpanyimfo wo se mpanyimfo yi
oni mebi they say ye two way even say we wa adwen po say wo be sua adwuma wo sua adwuma we na wo ni sika kora na fa say wo be bie wo shop no why na wo so obo sa abo
so menim dia
eti empanifo no na wo so mu create jobs because me ti way say ya create job bi wo wa am me fit job ya me koi ana adwuma ye bie say me sua ana by no day no me be fie na me kuta 2 cedi me kuta 20 cedi me kuta 15 cedi I will know how to manage it okay me nko bokro no ko medical hu say me ko bokro no betime ekumi this adwuma bi wo wa me ya at least a day me ya 20 cedi 30 cedi 15 cedi me nya sure so na ko say ko bokro no me ya say adwuma no bi so say adwuma na we adwuma ni ba bia
well I will say ahwefo ehwe nsam ne de mo ayedu pa cause me an was starting boboki no me an kasa me nya kola bi wo bitirim but still I go push on chairman me san wo su bi say what bo galamse so ne mpanyimfo bi adwuma nti wo hwe wan kasa particular woti we you being a youth president and you being a leader of a family no begitu mse na teso wo butaye bi esu ewo mu eti wo hwa ekwa be so na ebia empanyimfo mu we wo sise mu no anka genya no nanka youth no sabi obi ye boni mpa waka wo se debi because of this thing I can stay for some period of time ametima ide eti manya so mfa so na ni kwa se me pre me wo ye niema bi ensem fatante wo no temu po no wo hwa niema be na wo hwa sabio enye ye mpanyimfo no kra yanka se ye ho no as being a youth ye kabo ma bebo
me la wase pa prof near Tierney say, one, I am Minumi and Ejuma. The entire Minumi and Ejuma say, Yawa Bronu Biswa, especially Bronu Mitiswa. You YouTube brave. Some Roba Conom and Mopa Sabasa. But as me as a youth president, I wouldn't know. I didn't meet you, my say, anything be a foot to a more because one, maybe Nissika make it take you, mamma. Name will make more foot to offer a bebo. Because it's all been free, baby, my baby. It's there was a yarn same. A coin and Nippon Namusuna M1 over frame. So, oh, William, Unam coin Biswa, and yet. Name over 2 Nippon for no business. Okay, fine. What's my for Quawiso? And what then, our dear mammy? Name will mean says, I would in Yame. As someone saw them pie bot. No, you're going to go to one day and will be empty, free. It's a baby or woman. And the Enkakra. By so many people who Yame. Because you don't know me, Uncle. But so many people who Uncle know who say, hey, Bible says, a more than them, my dear Chua. And no son arguments, hey, some sort of many ones in the Kurana. Then Yamia can tell you a medicine. Name Adia Bakwa and Ma Sa Uncle Fonia Chumuna air, they say, will be up a quick money. Come and first of Miss Mayamutu. Come and first of Miss Matinacum. Come and first of Miss Friends. And no nama, Nichian, Ayadino. But I mean himself with Yanko Pon and Pibono. Meaning say a bit to me, a foot. A foot without a foot on in Yamiasam, a bad day.
Oh, well, Sunny, Michama Canon. I say, without the foot to any Yanko Massam, a bad day. Any not just a Michelle, who you to know, a Sanchez Chereana or the more body.
Me, you to know, Sanchez Chereana made a moment, special and money woman. With 2 because a man woman, not just be a member and 2 more. But the entire man in war Musma said because they are easy to convince. Because I want you to be my OB, cried the hook of my OB, a brother like 1 penny, all in the name of I want you. Maybe I make a Bible and it grow more. Brave, oh, Bram, but your head. Just a never be white and man, a cosa tibian. And there could be a broken phobia or person who dance and waffle. Again, on him who wound him dear power. Maybe I make a teaching. Now, no big chance Obia school so petit chafo. And maybe I made to us a youth president. Me person me ana coming yam you to and a youth to phobia. No go teachers. But Bashano, Minnie also is opportunity man. But all quality of big crack or school in any deal. But this all penny penny man. And son what introducing them as a school yam making. What is it is any money way now? In fact, it's me man dear. In fact, they be a moon say. And yam prepare say and Chalawoti and Obesha, she. Setina Obesha slippers in your maid, mamma. And the emperor who shares will be at the effect. Will be shot at the bar, sorry. Sunday will be Sunday's lifestyle, the hairstyle, will be Debbie, Nesho. Near Sefatown, Shenasa, some Rensos obey somewhere on this way. A better. It's me to form money before when you have always be more moon, he said. I was always, you know, on Musha and Coupon Fest. Because after a shady. Sanya money in the coin. Send me the Kamwa, medical coin. Send me shep at Adia Efa. Besides, some Renos will be wua. Sakadena F and I miss a medical coin, medical coina. But I was a Bible say, by a fashion, but Sanya constant fashion. But Sanchez away in a 1 minute per antiasia. Debia, memory of his abron, say. Was it one of us over the say? And the corner of a fuss will be a mamma and about a simple Nina, and this capel and Moroso. But once a woman in a shake and may refi. But no, I want to say, Sawun Nisika, Sawun Nisika, Sawun Nisika. It's Yayina, Jay, Sika, 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 the Mona who drink Sicano, and yet, quite be about Fasu Biana, over Pesca, over Faso. Say a quan bonny, say a quan papa, over Faso. So just me Sanchez already. In fact, me you to the many abro almost so fast way because a good time I was a moment when he said, "A real sika ye wa aye." Name of ne kwanso. Ne kwanso. And he said, "What train ni pano nyamia sampa." Oba be hu ni say, "Te say me train me na be hu." Because me see so na me say bibia iska, bibia iska, bibia iska. Ba ye train me ko nyame mu train me nyamia sa na me hu say, "Sanya bibia na iska." Ne mom so also hwemahine ne metre ne kane na ka ina de ka ho e de ne ka ho sika ka ho aware ka ho awo ka bibia ka ho so just it is some way the youth no de education na here omo se be mo tin yankopon tribu po ase because this can be in fact e de be call bia enye
wow sene chama kan wo se discan chibibria de yebekọ babia enye chama me say bo se obi what can man what bomb man chide fix the country what me ama empanyimfo no what me abom de na me guse o se say nema bi ni namfra wo say youth na je say bi obunsam tower which is say bi mo tiefo anadefo mo fanchem kakra ye wi aboso na me guse say kwa be so na nka wo nim die mo no anka fa nka beboa na nka si ho kwan was do na e ka say ye legalize ye mpo no ye jinsem ni legalize eti won so wonim die mo no say na won so fa
prophet na say wonim sam krofoni na yen se me ka say ya se bi o ebia ya yen nim sa ne mane ye na me ya to sam krofoni jejem ye huri te say so obi yes na asani pa ne bad person nti ye mpese be kan mo aba ye ho but I was here count ye twa mo ba ye ho ni mo futuo because se nipa no twi sa ne mane mana nie oya ne so huni te say we big eti wo nya sa hu so ya kwala enti kwan be no ba fa so ba ma nipa na hu say oh fine first of all me kai ba ku bi wo hye uti oni me ben no na bi say denti na wo hye no o ma me hu wo say ono na djuma because na djuma na wo ye ne hard work they say one no sa ne ma na ontu nye de enye nam so eye pa na mom se enne won num na wonya hode na wo ye bedu chi na bi no sa hode ni nyina enyi hobi because the more na ba ka hu say ade bi a won no a ede extra energy ma won a time will come wo ba gogo wo ba num cross town to be just adwuma no enti san ko for futo de bi am de mo ne say fine e wo adwen no hu ni say ma no ma mentu bi ye ma no ma mentu bi ba me srew wa num ko betu ni aye but nipa ne be de hu say wa num ko betu ma ye futuo ene say e be ben san ko for no ye be o mo mu ni say sa ti de no mo nemu no even nipa dua na kasa sa de how anya so wonu ma ba bibi o nemu nipa dua na kasa nya me de mo no o has nipa dua no a time will come obe so no is a donkey no na amodi bi ani ni so wo nyini ye so enti me de bia me bo me ko wo area me wa omo ho pa na mo de bia me ben omo na me no mu di nkomo na me no mu di kokko so nipa ba ya addicted a untumi kon ko twene wan so film ne mu enkakra e wo so mani hu di enti asa de ne nye untumi kon ko kan ye unu agya na nye de bi wo sa ko ono ba ko ne mu futuo ne se obetwe nipa na ben o na batuma aye de kakra kama na twene ho fi
another president ma me key points pa na je se na asem na eye ba ko pe yam ban youth ni more ne fa nyame asem entity wo mo president me sa wo so bi you being me say busa wo pa I think say baby e way dey high nima edu krom nima mo na manya ntie we dey ntie wo na manya sure ana say e dey ntie say bi o youth wa say energy bomb pa na eno won hye say because youth ne pe bibia e say ehu enema ye koso say bi empanyufo bi boa ana say empanyufo bi boa ana say mo bi afri ba bi mba enti aye bi ho
no kre maybe am way youth no ha pa no mo pe ball so say ye wo kan na de tiene say ball no mo pe ni na emo ani ni ho ti se nipa ni mo ni bona se mo ani ma de ba ni se obeja ba han ni boot na ko pesca eno so ye na di asam ne ba ne mo kenya nkofu yi nipa phobia and at least community ba because one me am youth president me look as a footballer me get footballer and me dia na say always me ball no dawura mo mu se faso de wo na wo dawura no mo mu se faso de wo ma e de mo na de be ka mo ebia make oni mo no bo pa ba oni ska kotobutu na me ni papa ni bi eno so ni asam ne mom ye nyamboafo bi mo mba bo ankola no ebia sa boots oh Jesse boot Jesse nipa ne ho mpere no mane nkasa da bi be brekwati mi jai school onko di mate
all because of say
sika because of bobo ni boot asay mami ni papa ni bi coach ben na koto boot amo manager ben wo eti da baya ni say na mami ko horo ka bo so youth no bebre omo ye bo nsuo o sa ko mu ko school mu youth no bebre omo ko adedeta all because of money so eti no me stress e ka me stress ka me tuma for video so stress adofo no ma say me stress e nka e benya especially community ha e ya ni mamoka ke community ha say ke benya boa pa fo a ka metimi aba boy youth na ka be me de papa because youth no gua omo ye ade anka eni kwanse ka omo ye but all because of financial lack of capital ama in fact Niama say ye bro ni so papa.
Okay, where there me twano na mo security system so.
Oh, in fact, poor papa. Because when akola be 7 years, akola be 9 years, 10 years, everyone at 11, 12 can on die. What you make can I say? Because sa akola no be 11 years, 12 years. Then tia one die and say, okay, one. Oko school. Obe pet of fee. Obe pempa obe pese scan fee. Okay, nti sa 11 12 no. The was why ya say okoje osaka bi ba na so horo no horo. Send ye be ya obenya extra money. No dey aye dey opeso dey. Oye. It is security your papa because security near tight to her. I won penifo bi anka sa mo taking charge of sani wana. Akwala bi abo by 11 no. 10 no. Beyin bi aduru no hey. Koda. Koye say. The security level no security side near airport. Ya try as a youth president you know. Ma try sani mana obo ko boni ba sa tam ko no ana ko tiane ba ko no we provide na o tiane ba ona to duane woni bia na o kan so no ko because on to duane ma no ndi unyi ma no nti sani ba na ye de be ya obenye sika na o ko tiane so nti script ni ne menua poor.
Okay na unyi ni say bia we leader wa hase I think say penifo bi so around and kama no bo ma bo betimi ayi bibi ana
no kre penifo de mo ha anke kan hu bo ma nemu ye tiene say ye dia ne media nyepe nipa no ko ne nchen no kura no one bisa ho say wono wo bo ebirasen wo ye ne nipa sen nipa ba ko ma ko no de wo ye papa ma obi ma on hwe abusua sen peyin no kwan so ba ko ne nchen ko wo mo masi hu kwan wo di wo ko se ba ko ka twa me kai mre bi na edwumaifo bi mitimi organize wo mo pe dwumasua e de ko se me ko pe chance abo answer ba hu peyin ne kwa no ebi mu se o fa mo me ba mo no ma je list no so no ma peyin no enso be trans atwa ebi abi ka list no kwa ko ka peyin ni sa so it asia kwa fo no doso so ye oni ba bebre o tell me ka ni bebre wo bro ni so amunya dwumasua o mbesua bebre na nya dwumasua o mbesua nenso so wo ko peyin ni nchen no peyin no hu no nemo ye wo mo obesi o bo so ansa na o mo de wa ko peyin no so the sound crofo bi so o mo say ko so o mo so a peyin no ne saka won kra na na dabi etedu be bia na youth na kasa wo organize o mo o ya mo so ja wo mo aye but o mun
on kanu kra kanu kra
because me nim say last media me di ma be be 23 obi a pedwuma hua e mema mpo de yanka mo pedwuma hua so na so wutimi yes ankofo we ya because why am mo hu say nyame tumi nti obetimi do wutimi bo mo ko na benya obi obebo mo ba sankofo ya wo kasa obenya obi wo be ko no kora no unya nipa no personal this all the obi so fofo obi so so a yesi kwan no be dey no wotumi friend say obetumi yesi kwan no esi akwan for nti wo be dey ko peyin ni ko ni e de onkrofo na ko no oh yes anka mi bro no isu wo nipa bebere ba anka mi nya obi obetimi abo mo a edwuma suafo obi pe edwuma sua obo so make wa pon no wo sua edwuma pon no na so obe dey tima bie ono ane shop nti na ma in fact how to control them na enye easy
ahwefo say there ye na youth president na ye you na wa ma awase agumi ba be ye ne den na je say metew kasa yemu ya na je say ni nyina ne say empanyufo no beboa abadan obehwe say omo bie mi edwuma ebeboa ama sabi okro no bo ene sabi edwaman basa ni nyina ato atwa say metew kasa ya na me enshirawo na me say no ye wiewie no kura no na de na wo ka kira hwefo omo hwe
yo eche for we dey kakra me kan say Mr. Mijinami community any mamuka me pa obi biara chaw ana say Mr. obi biara say the youth wa hapa youth no so me say empenifo ne ba down na se omo be ba na ma ba ye na se a e betumi ne omo aye ba ko ni aboa community no because me kai say one foundation bi by say Pledge Ghana omo buy na yame ado mbesi yeso so yeso mo mu say you no be bro even some me sorry ankwala no go school nkwa na e dey mo eti yame adom ye fa so ma ye nyankwala almost by 80 something am mo do to school so ti nan so mo do to school no afi dru baby no emwa ne madu no mo dem pabo books na se fa ba dru baby no emwa emadu di bo say awufo we ba hey me ba no ye see the books asa o afi baby a omo na omo bo na so nti omo nka bio ti na akwete say wodi ni pa na akwa dru baby na afi wasa jani jijim nti na ka ma na ka yo say tema na ne ba ne kwato no nko school ko no enka enfaso so because atem na akwa na nko school ko abako ton ade enyi ska ba do wa be ka dan say o nya me ntumi to mahwe no o ko school afi ko dru baby ne mo ane ne emba bio dika mesro say ona nya me adom omo ka egom anaso mo sa wo bi no say ko mo down mo emehwe me community na youth no hapa ti say samre ya so mu anmo omo a sankofo na so ba bayini na sa odo kai ko amatwe to say so agi usika tika mesre say ka bro ni su youth no ka mesre senka yem ko mo pa di ope djuma hwia wo di wo hwia djuma wie epe ba bia ni shop wo ni ope school akowo ni e minimum mi bia na o ka chere me say ni ba no go school a o me miensa 5 cedi peso no woni baby so say me boa akoko pem say sen kwa na betimi aboa ko
ba ko kra say ni so ya me ni katata
ti ka me stress wona o kan ewo mu ne o mo nsa wo bi o mo nda mo ni me hwe bro no so beautiful
okay ayefo yeda obibia sese wanyamre ne wetimi ahwe program program a wo hwe aye who is helping the youth why na ebo mbonu no enemre se hwe a eneme bebre ne yakoso na aba ye chama ye ho aba betie futuo bebre aba betie nsem nso a eha youth minu afo adwen kire ene obibia to comment na se na wo asem bi se bi nso a na man ne go school so na wafre ne ehu bibia wo bia na yetimi adawase de abusua enyina anase mantemo ne nyina no eka nyina nse wo hia moa na aban so do betimi aye ne se obebie duma mabunu no nso enye bia ye eti akwanya ewo bia no mo me asoti a na yadamase ewo eti we de ye wewe no krakra ka bibi kire lovely fans cause I hope say Lankonko family Lankonko family are watching so yes so to be ka bibi kire krakra you rap now
yo me na say say no kai Lankonko me ka say me bubodi an ade bechi but me de onko febo ha medam yan kasa me family ase me chia o mo so za chia Honorable Abdul Rashid assemblyman in fact assemblyman ya mission panano ni mo ha no ka say Ben this yes o bro no so no obi an insurance a wo bia na jeje breme na me koye ma no free money for one city grandma in fact I want to hu kokrofo a in fact unu ya mo bo in fact abushua ba kubu how to say ni woni ne insurance na wu in fact oya ade pa oya ade nti mejina mechia ono so meda na se meda bro ni ni pe na ase meda obi bia so ase because me kasa me body na ade bechi me ankasa me sofo pani Dr. Francis Boy wo Germany me sofo Frank Champo me chia no Reverend Bishop sofo emo so D4 charity me chia obi biara Prof was so me chia but was so
okay and then we see some wa when me dada ya wa so for prophet no ka jema ye share say ya na nkwaje sem na edisi sem kwa na de bro stay channel no din de G8 Black TV Facebook Twitter Instagram and YouTube subscribe and like and comment na bibia enkoso kama that's a na be say share say bye bye